Hey all, welcome to my channel. I'm Matt, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to continue with our Valentino Rossi build. So we're going to do stages 86 and 87 of the Rossi, and there is a lot more to do in this one than there was in 85 and 84. We are going to be putting some of the bits together that we were working on in the previous two stages, and then we are going to be putting some of these bits on the motorcycle as well as the fuel. Actual tank, not the covering, but the actual tank itself. We're actually going to be putting that on as well. And I think there's some pipes, but don't quote me on that. I'm hoping not, but you know, I hope it's just one or two. Anyway, let's get started with today's build. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, stage 86 is the rear light. Okay, so first thing we need this. We got this from 84, and we need the light that was supplied in this issue, and this is just going to simply go over there like that. Now it's not asking us to screw this in yet or anything, so we'll just leave it there. It's also saying don't glue it. Okay, so what we need next is this that we've been working on in the previous issues, and I'm just going to try and orientate this the right way. We need to put this into here. Like so. Okay. Now next what we need to do is we hold that. We need to put a type A screw just into there. Now that hole looks quite okay. As I was saying previously, the holes were quite small compared to... 2 seconds, I just dropped the screw on the floor.
A few moments later.
Sorry about that. Dropped a screw on the floor. Okay, so what I was saying about the holes is they look big enough this time, so I don't have to really open them up. Well, I hope I don't. But we'll see how this goes. Nothing on the Rossi is ever simple as you think it is. So that's all lined up. Try and get this screw in. This is part work acrobatics again, because we are going into some weird positions to get a screw in. I like the idea of the flatheads. They do look nice, but they are a pain, I've got to admit, to put into place. I mean, once you get it started, it does go in. You just got to be very slow so that the screwdriver doesn't slip off. Okay, that's in. That's kind of holding that backlight in now. We need another type A screw just in there. Try not to lose one this time. Now it's gone in quite nicely and it's taken. So I'm happy with that. Okay, so that's secured in. We need to put the other side on now. So lining this up. Okay. Right, so another type A screw. So kind of sandwiching this bit together. I wish I knew more about motorcycles. So, I mean, I did ride a bike. Well, I rode a push bike, and I did do my British CBT, which was compulsory basic training to go out on learners, when I was 17. I think well, you know, just to get around, really. Loved it. I'd get back on a motorcycle tomorrow if I could. Absolutely loved it. Okay, so that's in place. Now we're just going to flip this over. Now it wants another one just down in there. This could be quite tight. But, hey, we've done worse models where it's been tight to get in. It's nice to be putting some pieces together. Okay, and these things don't need over tightening. That's in, and I'm happy with that. Next we need this piece here that we've been working on in a previous issue. This is just going to go on just down here, I believe. No, sorry. Yeah, no, sorry, yeah, that bit does. No, sorry. I'm jumping ahead. My bad. We need to put the lens in. So we'll get that out. Now, this bike doesn't come with any lights, electronics, or anything like that. It's a simple build. But that's the light in there. Now we can put this piece on, I think. No, we need to... do we need to screw this in first? It's strange, because... no, we're going to screw it from the top, that's why. Right, so we need to put this piece in. I'm getting confused. Don't know what I'm on about. Okay, so that's gone into there. That's my bad. Okay, and then we need to screw that from each side with another 2 type A screws. One in. Line up and get the other one in. But yeah, I'd get back on a motorcycle tomorrow if I could. Loved it. Oh, that's just popped out. It's back in again. Okay, so that is in place. I'm just gonna make sure that that is complete, which it is. Okay, so lastly, and I'm not jumping ahead this time, we need to fit 2 screws down into there, and they are 2 of the type K screws. These are Allen screws. So I've got my trusty Oreo ready to do these. And that's going in nice and smoothly. That should tighten everything down on that rear. I'll put a second one in. Not too tight, but not too slack. Perfect. Okay, and that's all there is to do in this stage. So that is exactly what we have created in this stage. Looking really nice. So that is stage 86 complete. Okay guys, stage 87. So I've got the bike across here. Oh, right, okay. So the first thing it wants us to do, we're actually going to be fitting this now to the bike. And we need to fit this. Right, so trust me, I have got it on the wrong way around. going to be going on like that. We've got some screw points and we need to screw them in with 2 type R screws. 2 seconds, guys.
A few moments later.
Sorry, I'm back. I forgot to get the right screws out. So with these are going in with 2 type R screws. That's my mistake. I thought I'd got the screws out that we needed, but I didn't. Okay, so lining this up. It's a little hard to see. I'll just try and move this camera a little bit nearer. You can kind of see what I'm doing. So there's one going in there. Okay. Then we need another R screw just up here. These are quite nice to go in actually. Not any problems. Okay. I need to move the bike around so I can do the other side. See if I can get this on camera. Doesn't help the bike keeps falling off the stand it's on, but you know. Okay, let's see if we can get this on. So here we go. So another one here, another one just down here. I'm just moving a pipe out the way. I'm sure that wouldn't be on show. Okay, that's moved out the way. So again, 2 type R screws. Now, I'm finding this quite fun actually. It's a welcome break from what we've been doing. Really a welcome break from what we've been doing. Okay, so that's one in there. And we'll get another one just in this top part here. Okay, so that's now fitted. We need this bit next, which is our fuel tank. This we did in 65. Wow. And this is just going to be fitting on just like that. We do need to screw that down, and this time we're using type S screws. So one just up here, just like that. And then just at the other side, I know you can't see this, but if not, I'd have to turn the entire bike assembly around. Okay, so now we've done that, what it's asking us to do next is it wants us to sort out this pipe here. What are you going to do? There are some pipes here that are just not connected to anything, so I'm just going to sort of try and tidy them up a bit if I can. Because they're not going anywhere. I mean, there's one here that never told us, but now it's saying that this one here goes down into a hole. Right, I think I'll just leave it. I'll just do what we need to do. Okay, so we need to route this pipe basically. So it says to go through the top clip here. I'll do that. Whatever. Okay. Then it wants us to run it down here through this. Okay, and then after that it's gonna go round under another clip just down here. Just being cautious that this doesn't come off the desk. And I don't want any kinks in the pipe either, which doesn't help. Okay, and then that's just going to go on to the top just here. It's been a little bit problematic. We just try and open this hole out with a cocktail stick. It just opens it up. Just rub it with my fingers, which will warm it up. And then when I think I'm ready, put it on. There we go. And that is our fuel tank installed. Wow. Looking really, really good. Wow. Okay, so that wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. I thought it would be a heck of a lot worse than that, but that is that stage complete. So that is stage 87 done. Well guys, that's it for the Rossi. Thank you for tuning in. Looking really nice now. The fairings are starting to go on. It is starting to look like a motorcycle. I know it'll be good when it's done. I know it's going to look nice. And I did choose it because I wanted something completely and utterly different to build. Will I do another motorcycle? Probably not. One's enough. That's all I'm going to say. One's enough on this one. And yeah, it's not been easy, but it will look the part once it's done. And it will look nice on the shelf once it's done. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah. It is nice, looking nice now. We're starting to put the fairings on. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.